Step 1. Place the wooden piece numbering 1 on the floor. Wooden dowels in all wooden holes. Step 2. Attach part 2 to part 1. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 3. Then attach part 3 to part 1 as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam locks. Step 4. Then attach part 4 to part 1 using wooden dowels as shown in the figure. Fasten up the cam lock. Step 5. Attach part 5 to part 431 using wooden dowels as shown in the figure. Step 6. After that, attach part 6 to part 1. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 7. After that, attach part 7 to part 6. Step 8. After that, attach part 8 to part 6. Step 9. After that, attach part 9 to part 8, 6, 1. Step 10. After that, attach part 10 to part 7, 6, 1. Step 11. Similarly, attach part 11 to part 7, 1 as shown in the figure. Step 12. Similarly, attach part 12 to part 8, 1 as shown in the figure. Step 13. Similarly, attach part 13 to part 8, 6 as shown in the figure. Step 14. Similarly, attach part 14 to part 8, 12 as shown in the figure. Step 15. Attach part 15 to 12, 11 part as shown in the figure. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 16. Attach part 16 to 8 part as shown in the figure. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Step 17. Attach part 17 to part 7 as shown in the figure. Then use a screwdriver to tighten up the cam locks. Your bed is ready to use. Thank you.